AI hallucinations, the unexpected and creative outputs of artificial intelligence, are fueling groundbreaking scientific discoveries. Once dismissed as flaws, these imaginative leaps are now transforming science, medicine, physics, and beyond, and proving that creativity doesn't always have to come from the human mind. In the realm of AI, hallucinations occur when a system produces outputs that deviate from its training data. At first glance, these outputs might appear random, implausible, or outright wrong. Yet, as researchers delve deeper, they're realizing that these AI-driven creative detours are often grounded in unexpected, even revolutionary possibilities. While a hallucinated sentence in a chatbot might make us laugh or shake our heads, in science, these moments are sparking breakthroughs that were once unimaginable. Consider the field of drug discovery, one of the most complex and expensive scientific endeavors. Historically, identifying a single viable compound has taken years of trial and error, along with billions of dollars. The potential of AI-generated molecular designs extends beyond antibiotics. In renewable energy, for instance, hallucinated molecules are being explored for their ability to enhance solar panel efficiency or create more efficient energy storage solutions. These AI-driven discoveries hold the promise of tackling the world's energy crisis in ways that were previously unimaginable. Researchers are even testing hallucinated compounds for their potential to replace rare earth metals in technologies, reducing dependence on environmentally destructive mining practices. AI is changing that. Researchers like James J. Collins have used AI hallucinations to generate entirely new molecular structures. At first, these designs seemed almost absurd, like random pieces of a puzzle that didn't quite fit together. But upon testing, some of these molecules displayed properties that could fight drug-resistant bacteria, a problem that has stumped the medical community for decades now. These hallucinations, far from being irrelevant, are now central to creating antibiotics that can save millions of lives. The same principle applies in protein design. Proteins are the engines of life, responsible for everything from breaking down food to fighting diseases. Designing a new protein from scratch was once considered nearly impossible, akin to constructing a spaceship without knowing the laws of physics. Enter David Baker and his team, who have pioneered the use of AI to hallucinate proteins. These systems generate designs that no human would dare imagine, shapes and configurations so complex that they defy conventional wisdom. One of the most exciting prospects is the development of AI-designed enzymes that could revolutionize waste management. Imagine enzymes that break down plastics into biodegradable components or neutralize industrial toxins in waterways. Baker's team is already exploring such applications, combining AI's imaginative designs with rigorous testing to tackle some of the world's most urgent environmental problems. These hallucinated proteins are not just theoretical, they are paving the way for practical solutions to challenges that affect millions of lives. Baker's lab has synthesized over 10 million proteins that don't exist in nature, with applications ranging from targeted cancer therapies to sustainable energy solutions. One particularly groundbreaking achievement was the creation of Top7, a protein designed entirely by AI. It was a world first, a structure born of imagination yet rooted in the immutable laws of physics and biology. But how exactly do these hallucinations work? Unlike human creativity, which is often intuitive, AI's imaginative leaps are a product of pattern recognition and extrapolation. When trained on large data sets, such as the structures of known proteins or molecular interactions, AI can identify patterns that humans might overlook. It then combines these patterns in novel ways, venturing beyond the limits of its training data. While the results may seem far-fetched, they often adhere to underlying principles, making them fertile ground for innovation. The impact of AI hallucinations isn't confined to biology. In physics, researchers are leveraging these imaginative leaps to explore problems that have long defied human comprehension. Anima Anandkumar and her team at Caltech used AI to design a new type of medical catheter with sawtooth-like internal spikes. The design reduces bacterial contamination, a major cause of infections in hospitals. The AI hallucinated thousands of possible geometries, each one a creative departure from existing designs, until it identified a shape that proved highly effective in lab tests. This is the power of AI-driven creativity. It allows us to move beyond what we know and explore what could be. In meteorology, AI hallucinations are helping scientists predict weather patterns with greater accuracy. By generating thousands of subtle variations in climate models, AI can uncover hidden dynamics that contribute to extreme events like hurricanes or heat waves. These insights are invaluable for developing strategies to mitigate the effects of climate change. In addition to astrophysics, AI hallucinations are making waves in space exploration tech. NASA is utilizing generative AI to conceptualize spacecraft designs that maximize efficiency and safety. Hallucinated outputs that can withstand extreme conditions or adapt to fluctuating radiation levels. These imaginative contributions are critical as humanity prepares for its ambitious missions, including manned expeditions to Mars and beyond. With AI, the dream of sustainable interplanetary travel is becoming increasingly feasible. Similarly, in astrophysics, AI is hallucinating solutions to questions about the nature of dark matter and the formation of galaxies. These imaginative outputs, though speculative, provide starting points for human researchers to test and refine. What makes these hallucinations particularly exciting is their potential to speed up the research process. Traditionally, science has relied on meticulous trial and error, a process that can take years to yield results. AI accelerates this timeline by generating hypotheses and solutions at a pace that humans simply cannot match. In drug design, for instance, AI can generate virtual libraries of millions of molecules, screening them for desirable properties in a fraction of the time it would take a human team. This not only saves time, but also reduces costs, making innovation more accessible to smaller labs and institutions. But one thing is certain, the journey has only just begun. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow curious minds, and subscribe for more insights into how technology is reshaping our understanding of the universe.